Alright, here's a nice little plant. It has some black berries on it. I do not know what this is, so if anybody has any clue as to what this could possibly be, feel free to put it down in the notes, the comments. It is the beginning of October, so whatever phase that these berries are in, like I said, it's the beginning of October. Here's a good look at the leaf, and there's the berries, and it does appear to be, on a tree. It doesn't necessarily look like it's a bush. It does appear to be part of a tree, but it's really seems to be, it's a thin tree and it's really flexible, and it's back there pretty far. So anyway, if anybody has any clue of what these berries are and if they're edible, I would be really curious to know. I do not have my reference books with me right now, or I would just open it up and take a look.